All right, class, we're going to talk quickly about 6.1. It talks about graphing the sine function. So first, let's take a look at the sine function. Here is just a basic function we want to talk about. We're going to first talk about the period. The period, well, it starts here. This being 0, the period goes up. Now, from here to here is half pi. Excuse me, from here to here is pi. From here to here is 2 pi. So the period says, how long does it take to make a complete revolution? Well, here's pi, 2 pi. So the period we say is 2 pi because here is one full revolution. It starts at 0, it comes across, you have your top half and your bottom half. The two halves together make the unit circle. If I was to turn this around and put it over there, I'll have a unit circle. We also want to talk about the amplitude. The amplitude is how high from the x-axis or how low from the x-axis of the graph goes. And then we can look at this. We should know that the period, the amplitude is going to be positive 1 and negative 1. But we always measure our period in positive, as a positive number. So the period would be 1. The amplitude would be 1 because it goes up 1 unit, it also goes down. So that's the height of it, 1. And what is the period? Well, the period is when it makes a full revolution, and it takes 2 pi. So we talk about the period, 2 pi, and the amplitude is 1. And that's just a basic function. Now let's look at some of the examples they have in the book.